Our session is not ended yet. We have few other additional functions, and we'll come back with some discussion or some comments from our guests and all. So before that, we have a little action here. You know that you heard about our Education for All program started in the dark days of COVID to create a new dawn. And through that process, we have reached different corners. Some of the representatives are here. And we created that time in a very short period 2 books on English literacy and numeracy, foundational literacy, numeracy. The journey continued, and we have reached 65,000 children, different parts of India. And we are lucky to have our own teachers and our mentors and also great leaders and tutors and the teacher of the teachers like Hilda ma'am, who was always from the beginning with us, whether not only to train our teachers and inspire our students, but also she was with us on the field to train our EFA teachers. And as this journey continues and as we have completed 2 years, the demand from the ground has not stopped just getting the foundational literacy, numeracy basic part. Question comes, what's next? What are we going to do? So we have come up now, the next phase of that journey, in the foundation literacy area, Hilda ma'am herself, with the help of others, have created a new book on English that will be now spread over to the EFA community. After they have got the foundational literacy book, we are getting this new series of books. That series of books will be published today. By Hilda ma'am would be there, Kaushik, Basu would be there, our teachers Priyanka and all would be there. So this is not about, I know the Hilda ma'am is quite, NFC is feeling reluctant to it. It's not about her. It's not about her, it's about the children. It's about the children on the grassroots in those hamlets in the remote corner of Ladakh, Kashmir, North Bengal. Again, this is the collaboration with Hilda ma'am, our teachers, our student, Filix school, everybody together, publishing the next book series called Sparkle. Sparkle is created keeping in mind those children who are learning English first time away from their alphabet and the word learning to the sentence learning and going to the comprehension and reasoning. So this is thank you ma'am and thank you all and for this opportunity for all of us together working on it. Thank you, thank you. So this book is going to be the next book, again prepared for EFA children after we did the first 2.